Hi everyone, I'm Lynette from Pacific Shore Stones in Little Rock. Today I'm going to let you in on a few easy tips regarding how to care for and maintain your Pacshore Tech porcelain countertops. First of all, Pacshore Tech is desirable because of its ease of maintenance. Besides being easy to keep clean, it is also non-porous, stain resistant, and soaks without damage. For regular cleaning, simply use a warm, damp, soapy cloth. If you run into a more stubborn stain, use a sponge with a gentle stain remover, or even a magic eraser will do the job and bring it back to its beautiful glazed surface. Since porcelain is manufactured at extremely high temperatures, it can take the heat, so setting hot pots on the surface won't scorch or damage it. But it's best to get into the practice of using trivets. As you can see, caring for these surfaces takes virtually no extra work or special products, and they never have to be sealed. Although porcelain is non-porous, we do not recommend using steel wool pads or cleaning products with hydrofluoric acid or its derivatives. Do not use cleaning products with acids, ammonias, or other harsh chemicals, as these can damage this beautiful glazed surface. The best way to ensure the impeccable status of your Pacshore Tech surface is to be diligent and clean up spills right away. Please reach out to us with any questions on Pacshore Tech. These materials are exclusive to Pacific Shore Stones, but are available company-wide. Contact any one of our locations and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have, or stop by and see our beautiful porcelain.